Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities, and today I'm going to show you how to add special finishing options to banners in ONYX. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to Open, and you're going to navigate to CB Orders or IS Orders, and you're going to find the order that has your file in it. You're going to change your quick set to the standard banner one to start with, just so that it'll give you all of the print settings that you want, and then from there you can change your finishing options. So once this pulls in, now you can change the rotation of it if you'd like, so that it fits on the material better. And then in bleed, if it's a banner that does not get bleed, you can uncheck this, and that will take the bleed off so that it won't add that 1-inch offset for the hem. In grommets, you can turn these off if there's no grommets. You can also set custom spacings in here. Sometimes customers will request a certain amount of grommets or a certain spacing between them. So you can change it to, if they want 12-inch spacing between them, you could do that here. And you can see over here it added more in that space. Or you can do a custom quantity, say they wanted 6 grommets on it across it. Now you can see it added more in there. So that way you can adjust it in the settings here so that you don't have to do any measuring or marking with it on the table. Thank you.